Howdy ho, bitches! Welcome to another super duper spectacular exciting episode of GB's Super Spectacular Unboxing Adventures, where you never know what's gonna come out of a box, whose box it might have come out of, or what kind of box it is. Hold on! Stop! This unboxing has been interrupted by an unbagging. Get ready to get unbagged, bitches. Because the item that showed up should have been in a box, but it's not. It's in a bag. So all you unboxabators out there that are just getting ready to go absolutely spastic because you want to see that beautiful, luscious box, well, you're gonna have to deal with my bag. How's that? And there's enough bag to go around for everybody, bitches. So, before we get unbagging, we need to get uncanny with a Santa Claus fucking Coca-Cola. Cheers, big ears. Fucking unbagging. Jesus Christ. Drink up, Buttercup. That's fucking refreshing. Our bag is white in color. It weighs 370 grams. It measures 2 inches wide, or thick, by 10 inches by 9 inches. Sounds like that. Oh, and it has some black and white labels on it. And it looks like that. Oh, and that tells you what it is. But and for all you barcode hounds there you can fucking barcode that and fucking rip one off too, you fucking barcode bastards. Warning! Wait, maybe it's there's a trick to opening it. Warning? Warning. Keep away from small chilled Ren. Thin film may cling to nose and mouth and prevent breathing. This bag is not a toy! Exclamation. Made in China. But yeah, I don't know, what are small chilled Ren? It says it. Chilled Ren. I don't know. Alright, let's open this bag up and see what's inside the bag. A bit pliable. More pliable that way. Sounds like that when you drop it. So, have you had enough bag yet? Or do you want more? Oh, feel that bag. Oh, freshly shorn. Wee doggy. What's in the bag? Holy fuck. Another bag. There's a fucking bag in the bag. Yeah, I want to be in the bag. I'm high as fuck, but look at that. There's a bag in a fucking bag. This bag is clear, and there's a hole in it. There's a hole in the bag, dear Liza. You stupid bitch. Oh! What's in the other bag? Another fucking bag. It's a bag and a bag and a bag. Fuck, I told you there's enough bag to go around for everybody. You bunch of fucking bag whores. Fuck yeah. Bet you're just fucking, hey, what are the boxabators doing, eh? No box for you, you stupid fucking cunts. Well, this one is sealed, not with tape, I don't think. Like it's been heated. Okay. Are you ready to rip open the bag? Listen, bag asthma. Wait, stop music. Alright, are you ready for your bag asthma? Look. Oh yeah, hey, massage the bag like that, eh? Oh wow, fuck. Ooh, look out, you fucking dirty bastard. Rip the bag. Music. Rip the bag open, rip it. There, bag ripping asthma. That's what's in the fucking... Oh, wait. I was gonna throw the bag down. Throw the bag down. No. $20. Boom. A new bag of music. 20 bucks. There you go. It's an unbagging. There will be a separate video just about that for all you fucking bag lovers. Woo! Keep your head up, keep your stick on the ice, and fuck right off. Cheers, big ears. Unbagging.